Chiwenga's mansion in picture. MailOnline photographed the palatial opulent home of General Constantino Chiwenga, the commander of Zimbabwe's armed forces, who spearheaded the recent military takeover in Zimbabwe. Located just down the road from both Blue Roof and Mr. Mnangagwa's home, the general's white mansion, which is built on modernist design principles and sits on the crest of a hill, dominates the area. Augustine Chiwenga, Zimbabwe's chief of police, also has a luxury home in Borodale. The close proximity of all of these properties underscores how power in Zimbabwe is held by a small and hugely influential elite. The C stands for Constantino and the M for Mary, after his wife. Chiwenga's soldiers were recently recorded questioning where ex-local government, public works and national housing counterpart, Mr. Xavier Kasukuwira got money to build his mansion. It is unclear whether Chiwenga's civil service salary can afford such opulence.